My name's Jimmy and I'd like to introduce you to the Jimmy Hitch.
If you have a lawn garden tractor or an ATV, the Jimmy Hitch is a simple fix for attaching your carts and other mowing attachments with a snap. First, attach the Jimmy Hitch face up on your lawn garden tractor's plate. Use the lock washer nut and tighten to 50 pounds. Next, take the Jimmy ball and insert it ball side down on your cart. Again, use the lock washer nut, then tighten to 50 pounds. Make sure you're using only genuine Jimmy balls for your Jimmy Hitch.
Line up your Jimmy Hitch to Jimmy ball, push down on the collar, and snap the Jimmy ball into place. For safety, insert the pin into the base of the Jimmy Hitch. That's it, you're done.